Hi, I'm Simon, the GMAT Rabbi. In this video, I'm going to help you understand combinations and permutations. They're part of the GMAT math section. I also offer personalized tutoring for the GMAT. Combinations and permutations are different ways to pick just some items from a larger group. For example, which team is going to win a tournament? Or which items are you going to pick from a salad bar? Maybe some massaged kale. Combinations and permutations are two ways you can choose from a larger group. When you see one of these questions, you have to identify which type it is in order to get the right answer. You can tell which kind of question it is by asking yourself, is the problem like a cocktail party or like a formal dinner? With a formal dinner, you need place cards, right? The order of your choices matters. With a cocktail party, there's no order. People can move around as they please. We use a different formula to find the answer, depending on if it is a combination or a permutation. To explain this more, we need a tiny bit of math. We call a number with an exclamation point after it a factorial. If you see a 5 followed by an exclamation point, you might think the number is just excited. 5! It actually means that you multiply the numbers up to 5 together. It's a little more boring. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You get the idea. We use factorials and formulas about combinations and permutations. Suppose you're selecting k choices from n possibilities. K has to be less than n. Otherwise, there isn't really a choice, right? The formulas are a little ugly, but hang in there. For permutation, the formula is a fraction with n factorial on the top and n minus k factorial on the bottom. For the bottom of the fraction, you do the subtraction first, and then make it a factorial. For example, if you have 5 choices and you're picking 3 items, first you subtract 5 from 3 and get 2. The bottom is therefore 2 factorial. The formula for combination is really similar to that for permutation. It also has n factorial on the top and n minus k factorial on the bottom. All it does is add an extra term on the bottom, k factorial. So for our example with picking 3 things from 5 items, the bottom would be 5 minus 3, or 2 factorial, times 3 factorial. Okay, the math is done. To pick the right formula, just remember that a combination, which begins with C, is like a cocktail party. Order doesn't matter. You need that extra k factorial on the bottom. A permutation, which begins with P, is like a formal dinner with place cards. Order matters. You don't have that k factorial on the bottom of the formula. When there are place cards, you know you'll be sitting next to the star. Order totally matters. With a combination, there's no seating chart. You never know who you're going to be sitting next to. Examples of permutations are a playlist for a wedding. I want a slow dance to At Last. Let's put that towards the beginning. Another example is who came in first, second, and third place in a race. In all of these, the position of each choice matters. Therefore, there's no k factorial on the bottom. Examples of combinations are which cars should a collector bring to an auto show? Or which toppings do you want on your pizza? Canadian bacon and pineapple, so 10 years ago. In a combination, the only thing that matters is if something is chosen or not. Therefore, there's that k factorial on the bottom. I've offered you this video as a free educational service. I also offer personalized tutoring for the GMAT, and I'd be really happy to work with you. Please contact me by emailing simon@gmatrabbi.com and also check out my website, gmatrabbi.com. Bye!